You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.